Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Review anything and everything. And today we're getting into this SmallRig cage for the Canon R6V. And let me just fold these things up so it's easier for me to kind of move it around. And obviously this is a staple. If you're getting this camera, and you need a cage, not only is obviously this cage made for it, but nowadays when they make cages, from when I used to use the digital SLR days, the cages weren't as streamlined to the body. These cages, especially for these formats that have this very small box-like format, are really the type where you won't even take these cages off because they fit just like a glove. So there's really no need to. They don't really bulk up the framing that much. You know, you can easily remove things like this right off, which I've done a video on this handle before and that handle before as well, but in the past. But you see that it fits pretty perfectly with it. So let's jump into this unboxing of the SmallRig cage for the R6V, and we're going to get into that right now. All right, so now we're getting into the SmallRig HawkLock quick release cage. This is for the US R6V, obviously, for your dream. Got a little booklet that it comes with, warranty information that tells you how to attach things and various other pieces if you want to have other add-ons. Nice soft material to keep it in, similar to what the camera goes in. And here you go. This feels nice and smooth right here. Okay. All right, you guys, that was the unboxing of the SmallRig cage for the R6V. And as always, links can be in the description down below for you guys to purchase on Amazon. Definitely, this goes hand in hand with it. So if you guys are in the market for this camera, you definitely got to get this cage, especially since this is a video-centric camera. Unlike with a still photography camera, you may say, I don't really need a cage because that's really for video purposes. In this case, you definitely have to have this and go along with it. Be careful when you are installing, because in the video, as I showed you when I did the unboxing, that I installed this thing a little bit, well, not inside the unboxing, I'm sorry, but as far as my installation, I have a previous video up that shows the whole unboxing of everything that I did all in one video. And I had some trouble with the installation of this because I didn't realize you have to pull this out first before you slide it in. So just make sure to be careful with that, you guys. And as always, like, share, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.